Come with me to get some last minute essential items before the snowpocalypse. I just got off of work and unfortunately I didn't have enough room in my freezer last night when I came to Target. So I need to run in and get some like frozen pizzas, and my husband said chips. So we're gonna see the damage that the Texans have done. Hopefully it's not that bad. I do know that downtown Fort Worth grocery stores yesterday were just down bad and people were fighting over food and, you know, just being ridiculous. So we're gonna use our brains. We're gonna go in, we're gonna get essential items that we need. We're not gonna overbuy, and we're gonna be smart humans. Okay, so far it seems kind of like yesterday. They don't have a ton of water, but we're in the frozen food aisle to get pizza. I went ahead and got 4 pizzas just in case we want to eat pizza a couple of times, because we're lazy. Okay, update. I've gotten things like pizza, chili dog stuff, burger stuff, and then I got some Chex cereal. I've gotten some stuff to make tacos too, ranch for the pizza, and a bunch of chips. They have deals on their chips, so now I'm in the candy aisle. Okay, we like to snack, so I'm just kind of getting snacky stuff right now. Quick recap, the store wasn't that crazy. I'm starting to wonder if it's just because I'm going to Targets. A lot of the stories I'm hearing are at like actual grocery stores. Got some stuff to make chili dogs, hamburgers, pizza, ranch for the pizza, and then just like snacks. And yeah, so gotta get home. We're gonna go to Sam's and we're gonna get a cookie platter and Diet Coke. That will complete our Snowmageddon groceries, but also it's just kind of like a regular grocery week anyways, so